Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be pickling our homegrown beetroots. I've been out this morning and picked all of the crop of beetroots because they're all ready. Oh, look at those beauties. Look how big they are. So there they all are, all my lovely luscious beetroots. And my next job is to trim off all the roots, clean it up, cut off the beetroot greens, but I'm not going to throw them away. I use them in our fresh juices. Also, you can lightly steam them in a frying pan. They're delicious. They're actually probably more nutritious than kale, and they taste nicer too. But anyway, I'm going to clean these beetroot up, cook them up, and start pickling. I'm going to cut off the roots from the greens, and then I'm going to separate them into sizes because some beetroot are smaller than others and they'll cook at different rates. Beetroots are all cleaned and ready to go. I've cut off all the roots and the greens and put the greens aside for later. I've got lots of different sizes of beetroots. I've got large ones, medium ones, and lots of little small ones, which are all going to cook at different rates. So I'm going to cook them all in their different sizes. And I was going to do them in the oven, but I've decided to try them in my pressure cooker. So I'm going to cook them in the crock pot for the first time, and let's see how they turn out. So these are the large ones ready to go. I ended up with around 8 large ones and probably about the same with the medium and maybe about 6 of the small ones. So not bad. That was just pretty much one punnet of beetroot that I planted. So next time I'll plant a bit more and spread them out a little bit, I think. Because I haven't cooked the beetroot in the crock pot before, I'm just going to choose the steam option and let it do the usual 10 minutes. And then I think I'll see how they go after that. They might need a little more cooking. So while I'm waiting for the beetroot to cook, I'm going to make up the pickling liquid for the beetroot to marinate in. In the pickling liquid, I've got water, red wine vinegar, caster sugar, whole bay leaves, salt, black peppercorns, whole cloves, and a cinnamon stick. Oh no, I think I've added bicarb. That's not sugar. Add your water, red wine vinegar, caster sugar, salt, black peppercorns, cloves, your bay leaves, and a cinnamon stick. Bring it all to the boil and then let it simmer for 5 minutes. It's boiling now, so now I'm going to turn it down and simmer it for 5 minutes. So the first batch of beetroot is ready to go. I'm just going to peel off the skin now and then wait for it to cool and slice it up. It's not too hot. I thought I had some gloves to put on, but I actually don't have any. I've got enough of these little ones that I'm going to leave them whole. I'm not going to slice them up. I ended up with 4 jars of pickled beetroot, and I only had about that much left over, so that's not too bad out of my crop of beetroots this morning. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Oh, thank you for that knife, Ava. You want to taste it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah? They're going to have a little taste test. This has not been pickled. It's just got a little bit of salt on it. Have a taste. Tell me what you think.
I love it.
You love it? Ava, what do you think? It's going to go all over her dress. Oh, is that not nice? Do you like it?
That made me vomit.
Oh, okay, so maybe I won't trust the kids' review on this beetroot.
I love it.
All right, so thanks for watching. Bye.
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 Bye.